Hey guys, today we got an empty rental unit to clean. Seems like the worst of the soiling seems to be going on right in here. It's the dining room here, living room. Got a bedroom here. We have a bed traffic area. Some bad staining going on there. And the other room ain't too bad. But we'll get everything pre-treated and get it cleaned. Got little man on the job today. Got the boss man out here working. It's Sunday. Get this one going and hopefully it won't take too long.
If you need a professional carpet cleaning and steaming company, you need Windy City Steam. Yup, you can hit us up anytime. Got a dirty carpet, spill some wine, stain so bad, make your brain go mad. You can call us up or hit the forum online. See what we do with a little bit of time. Carpet, upholstery, grabbing tile, a little pressure washing, look like wow. Stop putting it off the book right now. We clean it, we steam it, we know your carpet need it. From Naperville, we family owned, we put in that work when in your home or your business or wherever you need. Residential to commercial cleaning. In the Windy City, we got that steam. The floor look fresh now, ain't no dream. No job too small, no job too big. All your furniture, we got the team. Inside of your home, we make it gleam. Do a Class A job at Windy City Steam.
Windy City Steam, make it real clean. Your business or your home, we'll freshen up the scene. So call us up or book online, we'll be right there. Here at Windy City Steam, we'll get those stains out of there, yeah. Windy City Steam, make it real clean. Your business or your home, we'll freshen up the scene. So call us up or book online, we'll be right there. Here at Windy City Steam, we'll get those stains out of there, yeah.
Alright guys, so we're all done here. Everything cleaned up pretty good. This was really the worst area. Get a little bit red there, but thing is with these rental units is they're put in this polyester builder's grade carpet. It doesn't want to clean up that good, even though we got really good results here. And always I tell people, don't pay too close attention when it's wet. I mean, a lighter colored carpet like this will brighten quite a bit here as it dries. And a day like today, it's about 90 degrees out, so it should be dry in about 4 hours. I'm gonna leave the AC on in here just to speed up the drying process. But if you guys need any carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, pressure washing, feel free to book us online at windycitysteam.com.